Many of us know and hear that meditation is very beneficial for our health. But do you also know that this practice is a very strong and convenient way to not only enhance our physical health and mental well-being, but also change our life in a good way? It helps to keep us calm and make better decisions, and also brings a lot of inner peace and happiness in our life, which is very important for our health, our lifestyle and relationships. So keep watching this video to know all the benefits of daily meditation practice and how you can incorporate it into your daily life, and what steps you can adopt to make meditation a habit. Trust me, meditation is a very powerful technique. When I started with my meditation journey, even I was very unsure and even I was very confused whether I should proceed further. But slowly and steadily, it developed as a habit in me, and now I can see the amazing and powerful benefits it brings into my life. And I would like you all also to avail these benefits in your life. So, without delaying any further, let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome again to Lifestyle Speaks channel. My name is Dr. Surangna and I make videos related to healthy living, nutritious foods and ways to bring inner peace for a healthier lifestyle. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you do not miss any updates from Lifestyle Speaks. Meditation is a practice which is basically done by individuals, which helps to train our mind and change the state of consciousness. So when we meditate, we are fully awake, but our mind travels into unconsciousness. It is a practice of training our mind to increase focus and redirect our thoughts or bring clarity to our thoughts, which is very important for us to be fully happy. And you may have realized now that slowly the popularity of meditation is just increasing, and more people have started to realize its amazing health benefits. So now, first, let us understand the great benefits of daily meditation practice. Many people end up trying meditation in their life for reducing stress, and it actually works for that. The physical and mental stresses of life basically increases cortisol stress hormones in our body that produce inflammatory chemicals called cytokines, and this leads to fatigue, depression and anxiety, improper sleep, and an unhealthy body and mind. But if you practice meditation on a daily basis, it helps to relieve physical and emotional stress by promoting relaxation, which not only helps reduce stress in our life, but also reduce the inflammatory response caused by stress, which otherwise leads to poor health. The daily practice of meditation helps to reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. And this helps to improve our self-image and develops a more positive outlook towards life, and it motivates us to keep on going every day despite all the challenges and difficulties we face in life. Meditation helps us to recognize our thoughts, whether they are good or whether they are bad, and this helps us to increase awareness about our thoughts and also develop a very good understanding of not only ourselves but also of people around us. And this helps us to become more constructive and better versions of ourselves. With meditation, we are able to face all our thoughts and all demons inside us, which otherwise slowly keeps on nagging behind our mind and disturbs us. And this way, we are able to free our mind and focus more on important matters in our life, which increases the strength and endurance of our concentration and attention, and also increases our creativity, productivity, and potential. Many times, we end up repressing emotions of anger and fear in us, because sometimes it becomes too much to bear with. But with the practice of daily meditation, we are able to accept them in our thoughts, which allows them to go away. And this way we become more calmer, relaxed and happier, and it allows us to develop not only a good relation with ourselves but also with others, and also increases our compassion too. The regular practice of meditation develops tolerance and increases tolerance levels in us. So whenever we face any difficult or tense situation in our life, we are less stressed and more happier. and we're able to deal more calmly with the difficult situations and find better solutions for them in a faster manner. If we talk about the benefits of meditation on our physical health, then the regular practice of meditation can reduce our heart rate and blood pressure, which can reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases in us. Also, it helps to boost our body's immunity. And this it does so by reducing the levels of stress hormones in our body, which otherwise prevents the immune system from working efficiently. Meditation can help us to relax, release and relieve all our tension and stress, and put our mind in a peaceful state, which allows us to fall asleep quickly, get a good quality of sleep and improve our sleep cycle, which is also very important for good physical health and mental well-being. Now we know the different amazing health benefits of daily meditation practice. But to avail all its health benefits, it needs to be done on a daily basis in our life, and we need to stick to it. So let us see how we can do that. To push yourself for daily meditation practice, it is very important to understand the clear reason why you want to do meditation in the first place. Because the more stronger the reason you have for doing meditation, the more likely it is that you will start doing it and develop it as a daily habit. Do not start meditation in your life just because someone told you to do so, but do it so that you can avail its amazing health benefits, which will give you the motivation to continue with it in the long run. Many people assume meditation to be sitting for long time periods in silence. But doing that and following that every day is not so easy. So it is very important that first you set short and realistic goals, where first you start meditating for 5 minutes on a daily basis, which you increase slowly and gradually to 10 to 15 minutes or whatever time is suitable for you. This way you can get yourself to meditate daily, and you can also prevent yourself from losing excitement over meditation and leaving it in between. Because if you start doing meditation for long time periods from the beginning in itself, it may be possible that you leave it in between, or you may lose excitement for meditation. So start with short realistic goals. If you may have observed, almost all our daily activities in life are scheduled. And just like that, you need to schedule and set a time aside for meditation on a daily basis so that you can adapt and develop this habit in the long term. You do not need to wear proper clothes for meditation, just like you have to do so for exercise. You can wear or you can be in any clothes and meditate. And you can also do it wherever you want. Whether you want to do it at your home, sitting on a chair or sofa, or on the yoga mat, or you can even do it outside your home in the park or in the garden or in the beach side, wherever. It is very important to understand that you can be a little flexible with your daily meditation practice. So maybe you meditate for 10 minutes on a daily basis. But sometimes something just comes up that prevents you from meditating on your regular time. Then you have to learn to adapt with it. So you can meditate at some other time during the day when you're free, or if you feel that you're short of time, then you can meditate for at least 5 minutes. Because even doing a little bit of meditation is better than doing no meditation. Not only in terms of availing its good health benefits, but also in terms of creating a consistent meditation practice. If meditation bores you, then after some time you will just end up stop doing it. And that is why it is very important that you make meditation fun. And that you can do by turning on good meditation music and sounds, or lighting scented candles which you like as part of your meditation routine, so that you enjoy it and you look forward to your meditation session. When you're meditating, your mind may wander off and you may get distracted at times. But do not think that you're terrible at it or meditation is not for you. And that is why it is important to accept that you will not be perfect. This is because meditation is a technique which will just get better with daily practice, and that is the whole point about it. So just keep on going and just keep on doing meditation on a daily basis, even if your thoughts wander off or even if you feel distracted, because it is something that will just get better with time. From my own personal experience, I can surely say that meditation is one of the best habits that we all can adopt into our life. And we can stick to this habit by applying all the tips which I've mentioned in today's video. So love your life and make it charismatic by creating the habit of daily meditation in your life. So that's it for today. I really hope you find today's video useful and you also adopt meditation as part of your daily routine. Don't forget to give this video a like and comment below to share your thoughts. See you again next time. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep smiling and keep watching Lifestyle Speaks.